Hey everyone, we are introducing a new product today from MAPerformance, our EVO 4 through 9 Coil On Plug kit. We're going to walk through the features and benefits from our billet aluminum plate, our custom plug-and-play wiring harness, and why this is the best Coil On Plug kit for you. So why do you need a Coil On Plug kit? There's lots of benefits, but we sent a prototype one to Adam LZ, and here's what he had to say.
There's a few benefits of switching to a Coil On Plug setup. You can run a bigger gap on your plugs, you get a little bit stronger spark, throttle response gets better, idle gets better, drivability gets better. I think your fuel mileage even gets better, and I think you can make a little bit more power as well.
As you can see, there's lots of benefits, and this is the best of both worlds, both for street driving and track use. This kit was designed in-house and features our billet aluminum mounting plate. This plate is CNC machined aluminum and can be a focal point for your engine bay. Another benefit of the plate, the threads are machined into the mounting plate, so there's no need to mess around with small hardware or drop small bits or pieces into your engine compartment. Lastly, the few pieces of hardware that there are all stainless, there's no corrosion, and they can all be installed with a single 5mm Allen key. The best part about our Coil On Plug kit is our plug-and-play wiring harness. No need to mess around with wiring, clips, connectors, wasting your time just trying to design your own wiring harness. This one is plug and play, and there's no guesswork. It also features an abrasive-resistant sheathing to protect the wires and keep them safe for the long haul. Lastly, we're going to talk about the coils. So you've cranked up the boost, you got the right injectors, but you're just not making the power you want out of your EVO. Our Coil On Plug kit comes with genuine Denso coils, which are rated to 700 horsepower and offer the reliability of an OEM part. Our kit also comes with the aftermarket springs that you'll need to swap into the Denso coils. Not everyone talks about this, but off the shelf, these coils need different springs to run properly on your EVO. And here's a short video of Kyle showing you how to do this swap. So as you can see, it's as simple as that. But if you don't want to run these Denso coils, you can get our DIY kit, which includes everything in the kit, less the coils. So you get the same billet aluminum mounting plate, our plug-and-play wiring harness, and all of the hardware needed to build your own kit, but giving you the option to choose which OES Denso coils you want. So if you want all the benefits of Coil On Plug in a simple, straightforward installation, this is the kit for you. As with all of our MAPerformance products, these are backed by a lifetime warranty, so you can have ease of mind and focus on what's really fun, some time behind the wheel. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and like us on Facebook to stay up to date with all the latest parts releases and all the cool content we have to come in 2019.